What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video.
We're 33 weeks today.
And we're in Raleigh, North Carolina.
That's right. First time in Raleigh.
I'm gonna go grab some coffee this morning and then have a fun day. Hit a car show, Good Guys.
There's
grab
a
some,
Starbucks right there, but we can't go there because we gave up Starbucks for Lent.
That's true, yeah.
So, can't have it until tomorrow.
Tomorrow, we're hitting it.
Peace. Oh, I think your milk is ready.
Is it? Okay, we just went to the Little Native coffee shop in downtown Raleigh. We got a book, a little secret.
I've always wanted to do these. So it's called Blind Date with the Book. You don't know what the book is about. You just get some descriptions. So I'm excited to read it, and we got some coffees.
Some coffee. Cool vibe inside. I mean, how would you classify that? Like, what kind of coffee shop?
A little like modern hipster.
Yeah.
Plants for sale.
Yeah, very planty. They had these cool like board games that were disguised as books. So we'll say that, like checkers, Connect Four, stuff like that. Battleship, Monopoly. Yeah. So that was pretty cool. We're walking back now. We're gonna get ready for a breakfast with some friends that live in Raleigh, and then see what else the day holds for us.
Yeah.
Right, see you in a little bit. We just left a brunch with our friends, Luke and Danny. So we didn't film that. Spent some time with them, like 2 hours. Went to the Flying Biscuit, and now we are at a car show. Good Guys, Rods and Customs in Raleigh, North Carolina. So we were originally coming up here to come here with my parents, but they bailed on us, so it's just us now. But good, weather's not bad. I wore a sun hat.
I'm glad it's
no
a
real
little
sun.
windy because at least it's not scorching.
Yeah, that's very true. Some cool stuff here, a lot of Boulder stuff. Get a little shot of the fairground. We're at the North Carolina State Fair. Pretty cool. We'll hang out here for a couple hours and then we have dinner tonight. Super cool with the seat.
Yeah.
A Lincoln Zephyr, fully custom. What's your thoughts on this one, babe?
Really cool car. I never seen one with like that color combination and the seat swivels out like that.
Yeah, it makes it easy to get into.
Really cool.
Super cool.
Yeah.
Okay, we have two movie cars, Smokey and the Bandit, and then General Lee with the Dukes of Hazzard. Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah. Got Daisy Duke right there.
You were just telling me about that yesterday.
Is it as bad as it looks with the Confederate flag?
I didn't even notice actually the Confederate flag.
Some pretty cool stuff in here. We're in the Grand Hall right now. A couple cars in this row that are catching my eye. We'll start with this Chevy. Nice little convertible.
Wow. First. Yeah, I'm a big fan of shallow caps.
Came down here. Do you love when people just walk by like that? No care whatsoever. Tyler really likes these, so this would be the El Camino. I think they're really ugly. I think he's got a terrible taste. Hopefully he watches this. It looks like a what?
A slipper.
Yeah, an ugly slipper.
I'd wear that around the house.
You'd wear that around the house?
Yeah.
I'll have to say this one for him specifically. I don't know. I don't like them, but then we have a little replica Cobra. This is where we talk for me. No, there wasn't one up there. Very nice. Cobra, and then you can't go wrong with the Mustang. This one's pretty though, look at the color. White interior, baby blue. GT with the built-in louvers. Very nice. GT. Then you have your Ford Lightning, a little Fast and Furious throwback. These bring a pretty good penny nowadays. Rest in peace, Paul Walker. It's pretty much the cool stuff in this row for myself. You see anything cool in that row? This is kind of cool. We have a little camper. This is something they should have took to Wally World.
Right? This is awesome.
Would have been an easier trip for sure, I think. Have a cool little minivan and a camper with you. And you have some cool little trucks. A little Mercury Cougar. A little Gremlin. Can't go wrong with the convertible Bug.
Yeah.
Laguna Blue.
Color.
So we have a 1969 Mustang. That is definitely the highlight of the show for me. It's like a candy apple red. Give you a good shot of that real quick. This is the Wes's choice pick. Really nice interior with the red stripe. And it's a 5-speed. That would be my pick for the choice right there. Okay, we're opening our book. What do we get?
Bathroom way to plunge into presidency.
Okay. Well, enjoy your book. Not what we were expecting whatsoever.
Okay. Jam-packed with everything you could ever want to know about the highest office in the United States, this unbiased account is by no means uninformed. You'll find the slogans and smears, the legends and lore, the people and places and the digs and the dirt, everything about the U.S. presidency bound up in one book. Cool.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Forgot my camera, so we're using our phone. Hopefully audio and video is good. We went to Second Empire for dinner after the pool. Food was phenomenal, really good. A solid 10 out of 10 on it. Now we're walking downtown Raleigh. in a random park looking for an arcade bar, kill some time, use the bathroom, and keep the fun going for today. Stay tuned.
Well, our weekend is ending. It's Easter Sunday. We just got back to Charleston, picked up Kelsey back there, and we're about 30 minutes from home. How was your weekend?
Good. It was a lot of fun. Went to the arcade yesterday, which I think we got some clips of.
We got some clips on our phone, yeah.
Had a really good dinner at
Second Empire?
Yeah, Second Empire.
Very good.
Happy to be home.
Yeah.
But honestly, yeah, it was fun. Raleigh
Fun
was really
weekend.
cool. It was definitely worth the trip. Hotel was nice.
Hotel was nice. Breakfast was good. And yeah, I think we're just gonna make some breakfast bowls. Or I will make some breakfast bowls for the week tonight. And yeah, I don't think we've got anything else really going on today, do we?
Nothing but relaxing.
Relaxing. All right. Thanks for joining us for another fun weekend.
Peace.
Peace.